evening, everyone. We are Access, the development solution for Access EDU. Hi, my name is PRADYOT Singh. I am the team leader and head of product.
Hi, my name is Cameron Mason. I'm the head of marketing.
Hi, my name is Justin Sutton. I'm the podcasting.
Hi, my name is Lawrence, and I'm the head of presentation.
My name is Justin Sutton, and I'm the head of marketing and development. Good evening. My name is Xavier, and I'm UI/UX editor. So before I start, I want to ask a question. How many of you say you had a hard college experience, like with your schedule? Okay, I see a lot of hands. So the problem we're trying to solve is that students and families have a hard time understanding what college costs are, financial aid, and career options for the students. And I want to give it up to Isaiah for the solutions. And our solution to this problem is Access EDU. Instead of students searching through multiple different websites, Access EDU provides AI and real college data so it can make the process a little bit easier. Access EDU provides financial aid, how much student financial aid we were able to receive, scholarships, tuition, and grants, and a broad spectrum of career paths so it can help the students narrow down what path they want to go on in their career. Now, hang.
The impact that we have, Access EDU, it impacts current high school students, first generation students, immigrants, and also families. It's impactful because it shows us it makes college and career planning easier. It shows real college costs, data, and also future plans as well. For families, it simplifies financial terms that they might not understand. So while they're going through the college, while they are going through the college process, understand that. But overall, it just helps the college process easier. So the students will have a better chance to get into the college that they want.
And for our tech stack, we had HTML, CSS, React, and JavaScript. We also had Node, we had Azure Cloud, we had Azure DevOps, we had Azure OpenAI, Google AI Studios. But of course, with us developing this app, we used the help of AI and of course our mentors within the 6 weeks that we've done this internship. Over to PRADYOT for the demo.
Okay, so for this demo, you can scan this QR code to get the live demo and do the demo with us.
Can you go back to the previous slide?
This is the landing page of the app. This shows some of the features we offer. If you click on the Get Started button on the right, this is our login page. So for our demo, you can click on the saving button. So this will give you just a demo account, which you can use for today's step. If you click login, this is our dashboard. This will show some of the things which you can quick access. Our first feature, which will show, is the AI helper. If I ask the AI helper, if I ask it how to apply to college, it will give me a step-by-step instructions of what I need to do to apply to college, as you can see here. You can click on the new tab button to create a new chat. If I ask it any other questions which are not related to the college process, it will reject my request and it will give me that it is not allowed to answer those questions because we fine-tuned our bot to only answer college-related questions. You can also delete the chats on the left if you want. Our next feature is in the financial planning center. Here, what you do, you enter your cost of your college, like the tuition, the dorm, the meal plan, and how much aid you're getting. You can enter how much money you will get from allowance, how much you will make on campus and off campus. And you can also enter your expenses. When you click the calculator on the box, it will tell you if you can attend the college or not. So for my data, which I entered, it says I can attend this college and I will have $93 per month if I do so.
With our scholarship finder, the point of the scholarship finder is, of course, to find a scholarship, but it's also to help you reduce the cost for students who are looking. For example, if I'm majoring in computer science, I type in computer science, and loads of computer science scholarships will pop up. Now, I can either save it for later, or I can click it and it will take me straight to the website where I could apply for these scholarships.
So our next feature is the college finder. This consists of all the colleges, universities, and trade schools in the US. It consists all of the 6,322 colleges in here. If I search up IIT, which is the college I'm going with, you can choose to favor this college if you want to save it for later. If you click on the college, it will give you the tuition, acceptance rate, enrollment, about the clubs, how much money is it, average money to attend this college, the money for board and room, the student faculty ratio, and how many percentage of races are attending the school, and some other detail which a user can use to know more about the college. You can choose to save this college, or you can click on the compare button. If I compare this to another college, let's say Harvard, I can click on the compare button. On the bottom, I can click on compare details, and it will give me a side by side details of both the colleges, so the student can see what college is best for them. If you click on a college, you can click on the same budget plan button. If you click on this, it will give you the budget plan. It will automatically enter all the tuition fees, how much food and room costs, and the meal plan. And then you can click on the run button to see if you can attend this college or not.
Our next feature is the career quiz. The career quiz uses specific questions to help our users find their future interests. After we use these user questions and answer them, we lead us to a roadmap and roadmap analysis. The roadmap analysis leads us to know what we want to do with our careers and what majors in college we should need to do to achieve our goals to get to those careers, and what in high school to do, and what steps to do in high school to lead us to build our goals.
So our next feature is the teacher feedback feature. For this feature, when we are going to be partnering with DOE to release that, so the teachers, you can put a teacher's name, the teacher's email, some details about the request, the subject we want, and the grade. When the teachers, we send this teacher the request by email. So when the teacher gets the email, this is what they will see. You can see what the subject is, the grade. The teacher can also change the grade if they want. The teacher can add positive highlights, area for improvements, and some overall feedback about the student. So the student can know more about themselves and they can improve themselves. Our next feature is the profile feature. Here the student can enter, this is basically about the student, so the student enters his name, what education the student has taken, about the family, the extra, academic focus, and request letters. As we will partnership with DOE, we will also connect with colleges, so the students can request their letter of recommendations here, and we can directly send them to the colleges of their choice.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like,
But our app is for college, first immigration, and first generation students and immigrant families. We also have a translation feature where currently we have the 10 most broken axles, so you can change wherever like it should be. Thank you for listening for that. Any questions?